Now, here is how to create your own UK TikTok account completely free. You don't need to pay anybody to actually learn how to do this or to actually create one for you. So in this video, I'm going to guide on how to do it by yourself. Okay, so in this step-by-step tutorial, I'm showing you exactly how to create a UK TikTok account from anywhere in the world, whether you want to access UK specific content or you want to reach out to UK audience or you want to explore what is trending in the UK region. All right, so this video is absolutely for you. It got all you need. Okay, so if you want to learn how to actually do this, make sure you watch this video to the end, like this video, subscribe and share so that others can as well benefit from the video. Now let's go straight into the main deal. Now, first and foremost, you need to open your TikTok account. Now, let me locate my TikTok account. Once you open your TikTok account, okay, now let's allow it to open first. All right, so let's go back. I want to go back. This is a UK account. Like this is my own account. Now, let me show you. This is my own account that I created and I'm still kind of building. So this is it. Hope you can see clearly. Hope you can see clearly here. It's showing UK. Okay, that's United Kingdom. So now go back. I'll go back totally. All right, so once you open your own, this is what it's going to show you. So all you need to do is to come over to your profile. This place that say profile, let me show you. Come over to your profile below, then click on your profile. Okay, so I just opened this account and I kind of still growing it and I post every day as well. All right, so now you come over to this place. Come over to this place here. Let me show you. For Android users, you can as well access it from here. Then for iPhone users, you can access it at the top. Okay, so once you click there, or you can see here, then you now click on add account below. Click below that says add account. Okay, now I want to make this clear. Before you start to create a new UK account, okay, make sure that the Gmail that you're going to use, the email you're going to use, has not been used before on TikTok. Right, so make sure that it hasn't been used before on TikTok. So you need to create a new email address, a new email account to be able to access this free UK account. All right, so now for Android users, you see sign up, and for iPhone user, I think it's still the same sign up, but me, I'm making use of Android. Okay, so now first and foremost, come over here. I'm going to show you guys something. If you look below, check clearly below, this thing that says by continuing with an account located in Nigeria, you agree to our terms of service and acknowledge that you have read our privacy. Okay, now all you need to do, click on this Nigeria. Click on this Nigeria. Okay, click on this Nigeria. Once you click on this Nigeria, now it will open. Now all of these things are countries that you can actually choose anyone you want to create your UK TikTok account. But for the sake of this video, I'm going to search for United Kingdom. I'm going to search for United Kingdom. So this is it here. I'll now click on United Kingdom. Now what this does is that it has actually changed our location without the use of VPN, without the use of anything. It has actually changed our location from Nigeria to UK. Now let me show you. If you look closely, our location here has been changed from Nigeria. Before it was Nigeria, now it has been changed to United Kingdom. Okay, so once you are done, now you now click on here. You click on use phone or email. Don't use continue with Facebook. Don't click on continue with Google. Just click on use phone or email. Then click on use phone or email. So it's going to open like this. Now they're going to ask you your date of birth. So you can choose your preferred date of birth. Okay, you can choose your preferred date of birth. For the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to choose anything. I'm going to choose anything because I don't want to waste time. So I can choose. All right. Then I'll now click on continue. So once I click on continue, hope here, don't sign in, don't sign up with phone number. You see this thing here. Let me show you guys. You see this thing here, don't sign up with phone number. All right. Now switch over to email. How do you do that? Click on the email. Once you click on the email, it will switch you over to your email. Now you need to include that particular email that you already created. So I'll now include that email here. Okay, then I will now click on continue. Once I'm done, I'll click on continue. Okay, so is that it will actually create our own accounts. So once I click on continue, this is it. Now they've sent an email to my Google, to my Gmail. So now let me open it. So I'm going to retrieve a code. Okay, they sent a code here. So this is it. I'm going to retrieve this particular code. All right. So let's look for the code. Let's look for the code. Okay, so this is it. This is a TikTok code. Okay, so all I need to do, I need to copy. Okay, I'll copy it, then I'll go back to it. Then I'll go back to it, then I will paste. All right, then I'll paste. It's going to verify. Okay, if the code is actually correct. So just make sure you follow me step by step to avoid mistake. Now it's going to ask you to create a password. So I'm actually going to create a strong password here. All right, so I'm actually going to create a strong password here. Then I'll now click on continue. I'll click on continue. Now they'll ask you to choose a nickname. Okay, to choose a nickname, I'm actually going to choose, which one am I going to use? Okay, you can use anything you want. You can use anything you want. So I can use anything I want. Non-religious Naira. Okay, something like this. Then I'll now click on continue. All right, voila. Our TikTok account has been created successfully. Okay, and this account is a UK account. Now let's see if it's actually a UK TikTok account. Come over to your profile. Come over to your profile below. Then click on your profile below. All right. So once you click on it, allow it to open. Then you come over to this three line at the top. Okay. Then then go over to your settings and privacy. These settings and privacy here. You click it. Then the next thing you need to do, you need to come over to this account. All right. Come over to this account. It will open. Then you also click on your account information. Click on it. Then it open. Hope you can see clearly that our account is on UK. This is a UK TikTok account. Hope you can see very clearly. Very, very clearly. All right. So it's very, very easy. It's easy peasy. It's very, very easy peasy. So this is just how to create your own UK TikTok account. All right. So if you don't understand the whole process, just make sure you watch the video step by step. Go back to the video from the beginning and watch it and learn how to create your own. Now, the most important thing you need to know, once you are done creating this thing, don't move straight ahead and start to post. Okay, allow the algorithm to let me just say finalize your account location. Okay, so don't go ahead and start to post. You can give it 3 days, 4 days, even 1 week. If you're that patient enough, you can leave it for 1 week before you start to post. All right. So after 1 week, 3 days, 4 days, you cannot go ahead and post. Nothing is happening. Like you can see in my account there, I've been posting consistently. Nothing is happening. Okay. Nobody's going to flag you or anything. All right. So if you really got value from this video, make sure you like this video, comment, share, and subscribe so that others can as well benefit from this video. Okay. So I'll be seeing you guys in my next video.